Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the installation and application process of the 3W SSBT01 Smart School Bell Timer. So let's get started. The input of the Smart School Bell Timer is connected to the main power supply and the output is connected to the bell. Once the connection is done, turn on the device. To ring the bell manually, press the bell button. Now download the app. Here the app link is provided in the below description. To set up the Smart School Bell Timer, press and hold the setup button of the device for 5 seconds until the indicator of the device starts blinking. Open the School Bell Timer Setup app. Click Connect manually and connect to the School Bell Timer. After getting connected, go back and tap on the Next. Here we can see the timer edit page where you can set the timer in 40 different time slots. In each time slot, you can choose the days, hours, minutes, operation and duration for the bell to ring. For example, I am selecting the days, setting the hour and minutes, turning it on and setting the duration up to 1 second for the bell to ring in the first time interval. In the same way, repeat the same process for the rest of the time slots or intervals as required. Here I have given 2 time slots and then click on Update. Now let's wait for the bell to ring. Now we can see the first bell has rung in the first time slot. Now let's wait for the second bell to ring. Similarly, the second bell has rung in the second time slot. It also has few more settings. Now press the settings button. To set the time of the timer, press Synchronize button. Here we can see the time of the timer got synchronized with respect to the current time of your mobile. Here you can change the time zone of the clock. Press Set Time Zone, select the location and update. Now we can see the timer sets the time as per the selected location. Along with that, you can also do auto synchronization if you have a Wi-Fi access point nearby. To get that feature, click on Connect to AP and select your home access point. Enter the password and tap on Finish and wait for the setup time. To exit the setup mode of the timer, tap on the Reset button and the indicator of the timer stops blinking. Now let's check whether the auto synchronization is working or not. If it is working, then the indicator will blink once every 15 seconds. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.